Hey everyone! Let's talk about blood pressure. Blood pressure tells us how hard your heart's working to pump blood around your body. If blood pressure is too high, it can make our heart work too hard. If it's too low, we might feel tired and dizzy. Some people need to take medicine to help them with their blood pressure, and that's okay. We can also keep our blood pressure just right by eating healthy foods and staying active. Having high blood pressure is more common in adults, so the grown-ups in my family often check their blood pressure to make sure it's in the normal range. Remember everyone, having the right blood pressure helps us stay healthy.